Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Rakuten affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and type in Rakuten affiliate program and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see this first site that says rakutenadvertising.com. So click on this link that says partner with the #1 affiliate marketing network. After you click on that link, you will see Rakuten advertising page. Here what you'll have to basically do is scroll down and navigate to the section that says get in touch to learn more. Enter your first name, last name, work email, phone number, and what is your role, where is your company headquartered, company type, your industry, annual online revenue, select your area of interest as affiliate marketing for advertisers. Now scroll down and choose does your company have an affiliate program? So select it according to your preference. Scroll down and click on Get Started. After you click on Get Started, you will be successfully logged into your Rakuten advertising, and after that, you'll be logged into the page where you can use Rakuten advertising for your affiliate marketing purposes. So that's how you can join and sign up for Rakuten affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.